Welcome to Varna, Bulgaria, a hidden gem on the Black Sea coast. Known as the country's summer capital, Varna is the perfect blend of history, culture, and seaside charm. From ancient Roman baths to golden beaches, lively promenades, and delicious seafood, this city has something for everyone. Whether you're looking to relax by the sea, explore historical landmarks, or dive into the city's buzzing nightlife, Varna won't disappoint. In this video, we're counting down the 6 best things to do in this breathtaking coastal city. Let's dive in. Number 6. Stroll around the city center in Varna. Varna's city center is a fascinating blend of history and modern charm. Once filled with Ottoman-inspired architecture and ancient ruins, today, it showcases stunning Western-style buildings from the 19th and 20th centuries. The best way to explore Varna's heart is on foot. Start at the iconic Dormition of the Theotokos Cathedral and follow the main pedestrian zone, a lively area that leads all the way to the Sea Garden and Varna Beach. Along the way, you'll discover architectural gems like Opera Varna, the Grand Hotel London, and the Archaeological Museum of Varna. And don't miss the beautiful religious landmarks, including St. Nicholas Church, the Thaumaturge, and the Armenian Apostolic Church, St. Sargis. Stroll down Knyaz Boris Aviason Boulevard, the main pedestrian street in the Old Town, where colorful buildings, trendy cafes, and local shops create the perfect setting for a leisurely walk. Whether you're here for history, culture, or just a relaxing afternoon, Varna's city center is a must-visit. Number 5. Day trip to Golden Sands Beach. If you're visiting Varna, you can't miss Golden Sands Beach. This world-famous Black Sea resort is just 16 kilometers north of the city, making it a quick and easy getaway from Varna's bustling center. Whether you're here for a day trip or an extended beach holiday, this paradise has something for everyone. With 3.5 kilometers of soft golden sand and crystal clear waters, it's no wonder that travelers from around the world come here for the ultimate beach experience. The beach is wide and spacious, offering plenty of room to relax, build sandcastles, or play a game of beach volleyball. Adventure seekers will love the water sports options, including jet skiing, parasailing, windsurfing, and scuba diving. And if you just want to chill, rent a sunbed and umbrella, order a fresh fruit cocktail, and let the gentle sea breeze take your stress away. There are plenty of free public zones, so you don't need to stay at a fancy resort to enjoy this beautiful beach. And when hunger strikes, you'll find a wide range of restaurants and bars serving delicious seafood, refreshing drinks, and traditional Bulgarian dishes. Beyond the beach, Golden Sands also offers lively nightlife, with beach clubs, music festivals, and open-air parties that keep the energy going long after sunset. So if you're looking for the ultimate beach escape near Varna, Golden Sands Beach is the place to be. Number 4. Sea Garden Varna, the green heart of Varna. This beautiful coastal park stretches along the Black Sea, offering the perfect escape from the city's hustle and bustle. Whether you're here for a peaceful stroll, a morning jog, or just to soak in the sea breeze, Sea Garden has something for everyone. The park is home to sculptures, fountains, playgrounds, and even an open-air theater. It's the perfect spot for families, couples, and solo travelers alike. For those interested in history and marine life, don't miss the Varna Zoo, the Naval Museum, and the Dolphinarium, all located within the park. You can also enjoy a coffee at one of the charming cafes or explore the beautifully landscaped gardens. Whether you're looking for adventure, relaxation, or a cultural experience, Sea Garden is a must-visit in Varna. Number 3. See ancient ruins around the Varna city center. Step back in time and discover ancient ruins hidden in the heart of Varna. While the city is famous for its stunning beaches and lively atmosphere, its rich and fascinating past is just waiting to be explored. Start your journey at the Roman Thermae, one of the largest and best-preserved ancient bath complexes in Europe. Dating back to the 2nd century, these baths were once a social hub for Roman citizens. Walk through the grand archways, explore the underground heating system, and imagine what daily life was like nearly 2,000 years ago. Next, visit the Odessos Fortress, the remains of an ancient Thracian and Greek city that thrived over 2,500 years ago. This once powerful settlement was a key trading hub along the Black Sea. Still craving history? Head to the Archaeological Museum, where you'll find the world's oldest gold treasure, dating back over 6,000 years. Marvel at the intricate gold artifacts from the Varna necropolis, a discovery that changed what we know about ancient civilizations. Whether you're a history enthusiast or just love uncovering hidden gems, Varna's ancient ruins are a must-see. Number 2. Varna Retro Museum. Step back in time and experience the Varna Retro Museum, a one-of-a-kind attraction that brings Bulgaria's socialist past to life. Car lovers, get ready! This museum is home to an impressive collection of over 50 vintage vehicles, including Ladas, Volgas, Trabants, and Moskviches, all beautifully restored to their original glory. These classic cars were once the pride of Eastern Europe, and here you can see them up close. But there's more than just cars. The museum also features authentic memorabilia from the socialist era, including old televisions, typewriters, radios, and even household goods from the 1950s to the 1980s. For a truly immersive experience, check out the lifelike wax figures of famous political and cultural figures, offering a glimpse into the past. Whether you're a history buff, a car enthusiast, or just curious about Bulgaria's past, the Varna Retro Museum is a must-visit. Number 1. Action Aquapark. Looking for an adrenaline-packed day in Varna? Action Aquapark is the ultimate destination for water fun. From high-speed tunnel slides to heart-pounding free falls, this water park is perfect for thrill seekers. Feeling competitive? Challenge your friends on the multi-lane racing slides and see who reaches the bottom first. Prefer something more chill? Drift along the lazy river or soak up the sun in the wave pool. There's something for everyone. Families with little ones will love the splash zones and mini slides designed just for kids. With plenty of food options and relaxation areas, Action Aquapark Varna is the perfect way to cool off and have fun.